Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Ajio and confirming your account details. This reduces checkout friction. Once done, open the gift card and copy the code exactly because Ajio validates characters. Make sure you know the gift card balance so you can plan purchases versus any extra you may need to pay. Finally, link a backup payment method now. That way, if the gift card doesn't fully cover the order, you can complete the purchase without delays. With items in your cart, go to checkout and review the price breakdown so you know how much the gift card must cover. Next, choose the payment section and locate the gift card or coupon field. Ajio sometimes nests it under promo or payment options, so look carefully. Enter the code exactly and press apply. You should see the order total drop by the gift card amount. If part remains unpaid, the interface prompts adding your backup payment method before you confirm. Finally, confirm shipping and any remaining promos, then place the order once the gift card amount is applied. This completes the purchase. If the code fails, immediately double-check for similar-looking characters, ensure the card hasn't expired, and confirm the balance covers the intended amount. If everything looks correct but Ajio still rejects it, take a screenshot of the code and balance. Then contact Ajio support. Make sure to explain steps you tried so they can resolve it faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.